car, and you just go and insert it. Once you have downloaded their app, what you do is charging cable, and you should go to the. Hey, Dimitru, great that you've come. Now we will charge the car, and I want to share how we do it. So here we have the charging station, the charging connector, and let's proceed to do it. First, we have to open the charging ports that we have on this side in our car. And how to open, we have three options. First thing is, or we are opening the wrap from the car, from inside the car, or we have the option to open it from the application, or the third option, we just come here and we click on it, and we have here our charging port. Now, what we do, we take the charging connector and we go to the charging port and go like this. Here the thing is not finished yet because the car is not charging. Even if the station is with energy and everything until now we've done correctly, we still have to proceed several steps. The charging stations are different and are from different companies. If the charging station is from the same company, then it is really great for you, because in this case you just download one application and you have just to insert once your bank details, your name, surname, and all the details to start charging the car. What happens here in Barcelona, that we charge our car at different stations at different companies, and each time we have to proceed all the steps that we have on the charging station. On the charging station, we have the app that we have to download and all the steps to do in the app, inside the app, till we have to charge our car. Now we are at the charging station Iberdrola, and the application, now I will share how we do it, but inside the car because it is really cold outside. We choose Iberdrola application. Once we enter it, we will find the map with all the charging stations nearby. And we have to zoom it in to find out the charging station that is close by to our car. We choose the station and we choose the potential that we want to charge with. And once chosen, we just take it and start charging. We recharge our car, and now we have to go and we have to leave this charger. We don't have the possibility just to take the charging connector and just to take outside from the charging port, because it won't let us do it. It is just locked with the car. What we have to do first is to go to the Tesla application and to click on unlock charge port. We unlock the charge port, we have this beautiful sign of Tesla, and we take out the charging connector from the charging port and leave it out here. So we leave our charger connected and let's go. We are ready to go with Tesla.